Empower yourself through education with London School of Planning and Management. Education isn't just about gaining knowledge, it's about unlocking your full potential and shaping your future. At LSPM, we believe in the transformative power of education. Our courses are designed to empower individuals like you to take charge of your destiny, seize opportunities, and achieve your dreams. Whether you're looking to advance your career, switch industries, or simply expand your horizons, LSPM offers a wide range of courses to suit your needs. From business to leadership, finance to entrepreneurship, our expertly crafted programs provide the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Invest in yourself, invest in your future. Empower yourself through education with London School of Planning and Management. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.